How to add long videos to Facebook Story? Um, Here's a simple method you can try. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap Create Story. Select the long video you want to upload, then tap Share to post it to your story. You'll notice that Facebook may trim the video instead of uploading the entire video. So, here's the method you can try to post a longer video. First, open Messenger on your phone and open any chat. Tap the gallery or pictures icon next to the camera, then select the video you want to add to your Facebook story. Now tap Edit next to the Send option. On the editing screen, tap Your Story. Your video will now be added to your Facebook story. That's it. This is how you can upload longer videos to your Facebook story without manually splitting the video into multiple clips. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.